The Word of God. The Word of God is the creation seed, a seed upon which everything that was made was made. The Word of God is the incorruptible seed, a seed that had no tendencies to die and endures forever. The Word of God is the abiding tree, a tree of life that has existed in all times. The Word of God is the believer's meat, that which satisfies the hunger of those that truly seek for God. The Word of God is our blazer's heat. The heat burns every weed. The Word of God is the shining light. That is the true light that shines to every man coming into the world. The Word of God is the blind man's sight, that which enlightens and gives clear vision to those that have no eyes. The Word of God is the Christian's right. That is our proof of our sonship and how we have overcome the world. The Word of God is the racer's might. That is what strengthens even those that have no might. The Word of God is the flyer's kite that takes us to another height. The Word of God is the living Word. Yes, there is life in the Word. The Word of God is the unliving bread. I mean the blessed broken bread of the Father. The Word of God is the springing well that springs as fountains of living waters. The Word of God is the nicest tale, a tale which when taken well will crown our head. The Word of God.